Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set no reply in Outlook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft's website to log into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, head to your Mail section by selecting the Mail option. This will bring you directly to your inbox. Now, to set up your no reply message, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the Outlook window. Click on it to open the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, look for and click on Account. This section contains various options related to your Outlook account management. Here, you'll find an option labeled Automatic Replies. Go ahead and click on that. The Automatic Replies feature allows Outlook to send pre-written responses automatically whenever someone emails you. To begin, switch the Automatic Replies toggle to On. Once it's activated, you'll see a space where you can type your message. This is where you write your no reply message. Keep it polite yet clear. Let senders know that this inbox is not monitored or that you're not checking emails regularly. After composing your message, make sure to save your changes. You'll usually find a Save or Save Changes button at the bottom or top of the page. Click on it to activate your automatic no reply message. And that's it. So that is how you can set no reply in Outlook. So that's all for this video. Thanks.